Hunchback posture refers to the unsightly rounding of your upper back with poor implications on back and neck health. The good news, with proper exercise and awareness, this alignment can be improved if not reversed. So today let's cover 5 exercises to fix hunchback posture. Exercise number 1, chin tucks. Computer work, prolonged sitting, and hours spent scrolling on our phones often leave us in a forward head posture that pulls the upper back into that dreaded hunchback posture. To correct, stand with your head relaxed and 2 fingers placed lightly on your chin. Pull your head straight back, keeping your eyes level and making a double chin. Hold this position 5 seconds, then relax and repeat 15 times. This movement will not only strengthen your deep neck muscles, but also reduce the tension and rounding into the upper back. Exercise number 2, scapular retraction. The muscles between our shoulder blades, medically termed as scapular retractors, are one of the many muscle groups that contribute to upright posture. When stuck in the hunchback position, these muscles become overstretched, leading to poor activation and strength. To encourage activation, stand with your elbows bent to 90 degrees and your shoulders aligned over your hips. Squeeze your shoulder blades together like you're pinching a pencil between them. Hold 5 seconds, then relax and repeat 15 repetitions. Exercise number 3, rows. To up the ante in postural strength, add a band to increase intensity. Grab any TheraBand, tie a knot in one end, then stick it in a door frame, closing the door towards you to ensure it is locked in place. With the added resistance, your scapular stabilizers will get an added challenge and be able to better resist gravity's tendency to pull you into that rounded kyphotic posture. Similar to scapular retraction, perform the exercise 15 to 20 times, holding the shoulder squeeze for 3 to 5 seconds at a time. Exercise number 4, the open book stretch. One of my personal favorites, the open book stretch combines shoulder mobility, pectoral mobility, and upper back mobility all in one. To perform, lie on your side with your knees bent to 90 degrees and palms stacked. Slowly reach your top arm up and out, rotating to the opposite side until a stretch is felt in the chest, shoulder, and upper back region. Hold 5 seconds and range, focusing on a good deep breath, then repeat 10 times on each side. Finally, nix that hunchback posture for good with the doorway pec stretch. When our upper back rounds, our pec muscles in our chest get exceptionally tight. To stretch them, stand in a door frame with your arms bent to 90 degrees in a goalpost position and place one foot in front of the other, lunging forward until a gentle stretch is felt. Hold 1 to 2 minutes at a time, breathing in the stretch. Optional to play around with your arm position, bringing your hands lower into a W position or higher into a V position to stretch the different fibers of the pec muscles.